Located in Houston, Texas, Gomez Tree Service offers high-quality tree service for both residential and commercial properties. With more than 10 years of experience, our professionals are happy to provide you with solutions for all of your tree care needs. Gomez Tree Service can enhance your property with tree removal, tree trimming, tree pruning, stump grinding, grass planting, hauling, and lot cleaning. From clearing space for new construction to removing hazardous branches, we always deliver high-quality service and impeccable ethics for our customers. Gomez Tree Service is the best choice in Houston for care, honesty, and experience. To schedule a free estimate, visit www.gomeztree.com or call 281-794-9996.